I got a steel brush. I'm going to clean the threads and spray them with some rust remover. These boots are shot, and I'll spray some up top as well. Blaster. Let that sit for a minute. That's one more to go. Yeah, I'll put the bolt back exactly which one it came from. Now I'm going to release the brake line. It's got a clip right there. Just hammer it out with a screwdriver. There's the clip. See if I can turn that bolt. Well, I got these 3 bolts off here now. Now I'm going to start lowering the strut. There's the strut. To make it go easier up into the fender well, take a long screwdriver and turn the plate to match up to this plate, so it'll be easier to turn it here on the floor than it will up in the fender. I'm turning the plate. See the little hump right here, and it has to match right there, which is right at your bolts. So straight up is where and that was I didn't turn this one, and it's right there at the bolts too, so this can go straight up inside the fender now without having to turn the whole strut. Sort of get it into position, which is right there. Now I can match up the bolts with the holes in the fender now. See, a little bit more wiggling and I'll get the 3rd nut in there, and it's just positioned there. And then I didn't tighten the bolts up top so it can flop around a bit, because I gotta push this in to it. And I don't want to pull the drive too far out. There. Now I can get the top one. Now that I have that aligned and the bolts and nuts are just finger tight, I'm going to tighten up the top three now. Now that I have the top three done, I'm going to start tightening these bolts down here. I turned the wheels so I could get a hammer in here and hammer the clip on. Now I have to straighten it back out to put the tire on, and I'm done this side.